Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning everyone. Mayong buntag sa tanan. Hallelujah. Um, Today is Friday. Thank God it's Friday, everyone. And 9th of May. Well, it's time check. It's 4:10 in the morning. And medyo na-late ako. Na-late ako ng 2 minutes sa paglabas ko. So, our weather for today is about 7 degrees and the highest later, if the sun comes out, is 18. But clear naman. Clear daw. So, ayun. Ako na naman ang nagbukas ng daan na to. Dahil ako lang yung early lumalabas. And ayun everyone, see you after 15 minutes walk and 1 bus. At medyo yung wind medyo hindi naman malamig. Tama lang ang lamig. Ayan, like yesterday. So, ayan lang kailangan mag-hoodie pa rin. Ang aking favorite coat dito sa UK pag winter. Hanggang sa mag-summer everyone. Kasi may kahit summer kung ganito naman ang oras ng pasok ko is still malamig pa rin. So, ayun lang. Bye-bye and see you when I see you. Good morning, everyone. Tapos na ang time in, time out naman later. Ang gloves and gloves. I'm here already. Nakalimutan ko na. Pupunta kami ng aking area. Yan lang everyone. To everyone. Kain tayo everyone. Ang baong ko isang itlog. Everyone. Ha? Good morning pa rin everyone. Time check is 9:01. So we're going to train station para mabilis ang uwi. Mag-train station tayo. So that's it at the moment. Wala kaming what's the plan to cook for today. I don't know. I have no idea at the moment. See you when I see you everyone.
Mind it up, it's mind it up. This drink is not ready to the box. Mind the closing doors. Mind the closing doors, please. Mind the closing doors.
Nag-intay muna ako dito kasi mabilis lang yun. 1 minute, there is another train.
platform safety
Kung kasi yun.
When waiting for trains, please use the
Dito na siya again.
Next train is to realize service this time. Please allow customers to exit through the inside. And mind the gap between the train and the track. Mind the gap between the train and the track.
Time check. 9:52 kasi dumaan ako sa Sainsbury. Bumili ako ng tuna kasi I'm planning to cook pasta ko na tuna. So, ayan lang everyone. Update, sobrang init ngayon. So, ang temperature is wow, yeah, 14 degrees everyone. So, may masulo. Masulo kasi 14 ay mainit ngayon everyone. Kaya ganyan lang muna tayo. Dahil maaraw. Kanina. Pero malamig kahit maaraw. Bang hangin. Yan may hangin. So, see you. See you when I see you everyone. Ayan, time check. 10:03. Natatae. Punta daw toilet. Kain tayo everyone. Time check. 10:49. Maagang kakain kasi magnanap time everyone. While watching YouTube. Good afternoon everyone. 15 time check. 15:18 everyone. Lakas ang hangin Yeah. Kaya kahit mainit, the degrees is 18. Yeah, 18. And it says sunny. Sunny. Pero wow, malamig. Malamig because of the wind. It's windy. Windy today. So, see you after 2 trains and 5 minutes walk going to my job site, everyone. Blanta na ang mga bulaklak dito sa Hawid tayo everyone. My first train everyone. It's already here. That's why I'm going to the next train. Makalimutan kong mag-medyas. Ay, Diyos ko day. That's it at the moment. Time check. 15:57. 3 minutes before 4 o'clock. So, pass by ako sa train station dahil police. Dami sisita. So, pati ako nasita. Tinignan lang naman yung aking oyster. So, pinakita ko yung may picture ko. So, thank you very much. Sabi niya, good afternoon. pinakita yung kanyang tsapa sa akin na nakalagay sa leeg. Mga nakasabit, mga nakakwintas sa kanila. Tapos ayun, kawawa yung iba doon, naka-detain, walang ano. So yun lang everyone, dito na ako, malapit. Lakad tayo, walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk tayo dito sa ating... Oh, malakas ang hangin talaga. Malamig din, everyone. So, yun. Nararamdaman ko na masakit na naman ang aking sikmura. So, that's it, mahangin. I told you, psst, psst, you're bingi. You're bingi. Oh, dear, we are. No, he have a training tomorrow. On Monday in my morning work. So, adios.
How can it happen? The whole world.
Adios. Bye. See you. See you on Monday, Algae. There's a lot of tourists here again. And, boy, suicide. Suicide, Mr. Aras. There's a lot of... Are you suicide? Are you suicide?
What are you talking about?
There's a police. Policia. Policia. Mr. Aras is jaywalking. The Cardinal Bar and Kitchen. What the amazing and beautiful plants are here. What more inside? Yeah, so we're going again to Tesco. Tesco is the life for Friday. You. Hello everyone. Good night. See you later after Tesco. Ayan sis, yung sinasabi kong Torre. That is the famous one of the famous building here in London. Yeah, that's in Liverpool. Yeah. Arrivederci, meron ditong present cream. How much? Oo, 3 ano. Ito mo. Maliit lang eh. 6.99 na. Ha? This one na lang oh. Pero bawal nga sa akin ng sweets eh. No? Ano nga eh. Ayan, nandito kami sa inside the Tesco. Dahil prutas. Ay, this one oh, mango.
Ay, favorite. Ay, mango pa. Nakala ko pa ina.
Kaya, ano? Guys, hello guys. Ito yung hinahanap ko kanina. Ay, pasta kasi. The egg. Hindi, wala sa ano, Sainsbury. Eh, wala naman sa amin Tesco, di ba? So, dito tayo. Na, the paracetamol is here. Which one? I like this one. Butter toast. Top. Sis the one oh. If you want this one, 500 and the
Ano ba to? Ba't
Got
pain relief? Hindi naman no pain.
and now. So later. Hi! We're back. We're back again here in Tesco. Dahil kakain ulit kami. Sarap. Why it's so yummy. Nakaka-addict. No? Mm. 10:20 na everyone. Kain pa rin tayo. Kakatapos lang ng prayer meeting. So, ayun. After this food, good night. God bless. And I love you all, everyone.